Once again, a very personal question. Well, not very personal, but applicable to you. This is what's your favorite learning style? My favorite learning style, I would say, is probably now working problems. Right, given finding some snippet of information. I would say most often on a video or reading about something, and then trying to work problems. Uh, uh, to kind of practice solving it. I would say that's my favorite style. Uh, what's my least favorite? Uh, I would say the least favorite would be something that is just like walls and walls of text. Right? If I think about it in terms of a lecture, a monotonous lecture with no visual aids, right? I want to see lectures that are dynamic. I want to see lectures that have illustrations. A picture's worth 1,000 words. I want to see dynamic. So my least favorite would be to just read long, blocks of text, uh, but text with images that you can kind of bounce back and forth with, and then interspersed with assessments. I would say that's better. But willing to learn using multiple styles. Whatever the answer to this question is, yes or no, it needs to be yes. You have to be willing to learn different ways. Learning in lecture, learning by reading, watching a video, working problems, working with groups, working with online videos, watching assessments and taking notes. Uh, be willing to learn using multiple styles, and it's going to make you a better learner, regardless of your subject.